Zhejiang Jialift Warehouse Equipment Co. Limited was established in July 2011 with more than 10 years of rapid development. The company has become one of the most professional, largest scale, most variety, and most powerful warehousing logistics handling equipment integrated suppliers and has been identified as the national high-tech enterprises. The company has obtained the special equipment manufacturing license issued by the State Administration of Quality Supervision, passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. The products have passed the CE certification of BV, RIE, and other international certification companies. The company is a national high-tech enterprise and the first domestic electric storage vehicle listed on the NIM. It has successfully won the Zhejiang Science and Technology Enterprise, Transformation and Upgrade Model Enterprise, Huzhou Enterprise Technology Center, and Huzhou Patent Demonstration Enterprise. Zhejiang Province Hidden C-Shape Champion Cultivation Enterprise, Zhejiang High-Tech Enterprise R&D Center, Huzhou City Informatization Demonstration Enterprise, Changxing County Government Quality Award, and other awards.